Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're someone who's serious about maintaining your oral health and making flossing as easy as possible, you're going to want to stick around. Today we're reviewing the Waterpik Nano Plus Water Flosser. Compact, portable, and dentist recommended. Does this small device live up to the hype? Let's take a closer look. The Waterpik Nano Plus Water Flosser is marketed as a space-saving solution for your oral care routine, delivering full-size performance in a compact design. It's 50% smaller than standard models, which makes it ideal for those of us who are always on the go. Whether you're traveling or just tight on counter space at home, the Nano Plus is designed to be a convenient, powerful tool to keep your teeth in top shape. It includes 4 different flossing tips, a 15-ounce reservoir, and 5 pressure settings, making it adaptable for different needs, whether it's daily plaque removal or dealing with sensitive gums. Now let's get into how it actually performs. Using the Nano Plus was a breeze. Thanks to the on-off handle switch, you can easily control the water flow. The swivel handle and hose make it easy to get to those tricky back teeth, and the fact that the water reservoir inverts for travel and storage, a game changer for anyone who likes to keep their bathroom counter clutter-free. I also appreciated that the 15-ounce reservoir provided enough flossing time, about 60 seconds, before needing to be refilled, and cleaning it was super simple, as it's top-rack dishwasher safe. In terms of performance, the Waterpik Nano Plus is certainly effective. Waterpik's PrecisionPulse technology combines water pressure with pulsations, and the results are impressive. According to clinical tests, the Nano Plus removes up to 99.9% of plaque from treated areas, helping prevent gingivitis, cavities, and bad breath. It's a dentist-recommended device, earning the prestigious ADA seal of acceptance, which speaks volumes about its credibility and safety. Personally, I noticed cleaner, fresher teeth after each use. Of course, no product is without its drawbacks. While the compact design is great for travel, it also means the Nano Plus has a smaller water reservoir compared to some full-sized models. If you have a larger mouth or prefer longer flossing sessions, you may find yourself refilling the water reservoir during use. Additionally, the device is only compatible with North American voltage, 120 volts 60 Hz. So if you're traveling outside of that region, you'll need an adapter or a voltage converter. Pros: the Nano Plus is compact, easy to use, and effective. It's a portable, ADA-approved device that delivers excellent performance in removing plaque and improving oral hygiene. Its convenient design, swivel handle, travel-friendly features, and dishwasher-safe reservoir add to its appeal. Cons: the smaller water reservoir means you'll need to refill it for longer flossing sessions, and it's only compatible with North American voltage, which could be an issue if you're traveling internationally. When it comes to value for money, the Waterpik Nano Plus is priced higher than some manual flossing options, but it's well worth the investment. For those who want a reliable, portable water flosser that makes flossing easier, the price is justified. It's a smart choice for anyone who values convenience and performance, especially if you're tight on space or constantly traveling. If you're looking for a more affordable alternative, there are a few budget-friendly options on the market, though they may not offer the same level of precision or portability as the Nano Plus. Waterpik does offer larger models with bigger reservoirs, so if you don't mind the extra size, you can get a model that might suit larger households or people who prefer a bit more water volume during flossing. Overall, the Waterpik Nano Plus Water Flosser is a great choice if you're looking for a compact, efficient, and dentist-recommended water flosser. It's perfect for small spaces, travel, and individuals who need a reliable tool for daily oral care. It performs well, it's easy to use, and it's a solid investment for your dental hygiene routine. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. If you've tried the Waterpik Nano Plus, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.